How to manage Siemens credit card account online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can manage your Siemens credit card account online. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, simply search for Siemens credit card, then type in login, and it should take you to this website. So my bad, that's the spelling mistake. There we go. Now, after you're here, what you'll need to do is simply log in. After you log in into your Siemens Bank, you can then be able to manage your card, your account, and your everything. So just log in into your account by tapping on the login button on the top right. And you'll find this page where you can log in into your card, your account, or everything, whichever you want. So let's just choose credit card and tap on go. If you simply want to log in, you can just choose the other one as well, such as your online banking. You can type in your user ID and log in here and be able to, manage your account. And that's how simple it is. Now, on this page, after it loads, it's basically same. All you have to do is log in into your account using your card number and stuff. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.